Alright guys, what's going on? Today we are going to be doing some interior work. I already got everything stripped out from previous episodes where painting the interior trim pieces and stuff like that. When I got everything pulled out, felt like doing laminate flooring. This is what's going in here. It's gonna look good. I gotta get a few measurements and cut it out. So let me go ahead and get started and like and subscribe. All right guys, so we're gonna move the front to the back. It's right there on that lip to about right in front of these screws here. We don't want them, I don't want them to fit to the back. So I'm gonna cut them about 37 on there. So they mark me 37 on the wood, and then I'm gonna cut a few pieces and show you how it's all going. Alright guys, so that's a 37-inch cut from the back to the front. Here's the rear trim. It's going to be somewhere right in there. So it's going to be right under the lip. So I think that's going to be good. Let me finish cutting the rest of those. I cut them at 37 inches. So let me finish cutting a few more of these and put them down on the floor, and I'm going to show you how it goes. So guys, this is where we're at. As you can see, it's pitch black outside. Got the light on. I got half of it done. That's how that panel turned out. That gray piece, I'm gonna take it off later on. I gotta clean the floor up still. But so far, I'm loving it, man. Got the trim up and everything, so she's looking good. I guess I'm gonna finish up on this side tomorrow, and I'm gonna update y'all with what it looks like. Alright guys, so this is where we're at from yesterday. I'll show you all the flooring. It turned out pretty good, but I got other things I want to do too as well while I'm already doing it. Because if I procrastinate, then I ain't never going to do it. This is how that flooring turned out. Turned out really good. I'm not done putting that side on yet. It's ready to be put in, but I just haven't got to it. But while we're on the subject, I'm going to add the rest of this laminate flooring I got to this piece here. Now this is just glued on. As you can tell, it's already started peeling back. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this hot heat gun here, and I'm gonna heat it up and pull it back and pull it all the way back, and this laminate flooring is gonna lay on top of it. So let me pull this off and show y'all what it's like after I pull this off. So after you get done pulling that fabric off, this is what it looks like. This is still the glue. I'm about to finish pulling it off and everything, but I'm gonna finish pulling this glue off, and I'm gonna start measuring my pieces from the vinyl, and I'm gonna use some, I can't remember what it's called. Weather strip gasket adhesive. I know it's really strong. It comes in a tube. It squeezes out yellow. It's real strong stuff, but I'm sure you can use other things. That's what I'm gonna be using. So let me finish cleaning off the back of that tailgate, and let me start cutting some pieces and laying it out. And I'll show y'all what it looks like. All right, guys. I got it on there. This is how it turned out. It looks freaking awesome. I'm gonna paint this later on. This tan look, I'm gonna paint it black. Put some glue down underneath it. Also screw down the sides to help hold it down, because I know whenever you open and close this tailgate, it's sooner or later gonna fall off. But anyways, that's how the tailgate turned out. Let me know what y'all think. Looks freaking sick if you ask me. Alright guys, y'all check this out. If you don't think that looks clean, then I don't know what does. There's the flooring. As you can tell, I got my box on top, so can't really see all of it, but it all did pretty good overall. Let me know what y'all think, guys. I'm gonna do a few more videos, but y'all let me know, keep me up with some ideas. I accept negative comments too. Let me know what y'all do and don't like. Let me know what I should do on the next video, what I should do to the truck. There's plenty of stuff to do to this truck. I don't know what I want to do yet, but y'all give me some ideas.